Hey hao YouTube, this is EconCat88 and I'm still in Yunnan province in a city named Kunming. And this area here is called the Flower and Bird Market. Now, have in mind this is only about a block and a half, 1.5 city blocks from that high-rise modern China. And here we go back. We move a block and a half away and we're back a good 30 or 40 years here. So, kind of an interesting place. There are a lot of birds for sale here. A lot of plants, obviously. There's a guy here selling old money. Some of that stuff looks pretty cool, actually. Kind of surprised I haven't seen a single foreigner in here. This is a place that I think everyone that's in the area should kind of visit. It's somewhat neat. Probably get stuff a lot cheaper here than you can on the main drag, that's for sure. Some of this jewelry looks pretty nice too. Uh-oh, I hear a rooster. Somebody's selling a rooster, or two, or three, or probably as many as you have money to buy. Some plenty of food. There's a guy coming through here on a motorbike. Oh, yep, there they are. There's a couple roosters in there. Yep. There's some people selling pigeons over here. Some of them they even have out of the cages. That's kind of cool. Oh, here's another rooster. This guy's making a sale. He's checking them out. It was definitely worth walking the few blocks to get over here. This dude here's got these pigeons crammed in here like sardines. I think they eat pigeons here. I believe I had a pigeon for dinner once here. Well, they just kind of pass it around. Walk back over here and take a look. That's definitely pretty cool. Again, this is at most a block and a half off of the quote-unquote main drag. Probably people living upstairs in those buildings there, I would assume. But they turn pine cones into jewelry there. Pretty neat. This guy here looks pretty bored. And here it looks like we got a see-through building here. There's nothing in there. Nope, there isn't anything, at least on the ground floor. Let's go a little bit farther and see what else we find here. Little restaurant over there, some people eating there. The old mode of transport. I have no idea what that's for. I guess that's maybe reserving a parking space. Kind of some cool stuff in here. It's like stamps and stationery. There's a barber shop. Pretty dingy looking in there. Some more stationery type things. Oh my goodness, look at this street. Wow. Definitely feels old school here. Now we're a half a block away from the quote-unquote main drag. Shopping street. There's a car somehow managed to squeeze its way through here. Selling a lot of signs and stuff here for businesses. And yeah, that's mostly what it is, like no smoking signs and no trespassing and toilet. And nobody living in that building. I see right through the roof. Looks like they had a fire. Yeah, this entire street pretty much is signs. So I don't really know why they have them all in the same place, but they do. I guess if you're in Kunming and you need a sign, this is the street you come to. I mentioned this in other videos, but something else that they don't have is strollers. Someday strollers will be a big business here. Now we're getting into like some trophies and that type of thing. Yeah, that's it for this one. That's people living back there. EconCat 88 signing off from Kunming, China. Zaijian.